I'm Kanishka Trivedi, and this is the project ReturnIQ. So, as you all know, that D2C brands face a lot of issues and they have a lot of loss in this section where they have to return or replace a product. So, as we know that around 8,000 crore are lost in this return and replacement cycles in D2C brands. So many people return defective products. They do frauds with the companies, like they have ordered something else, they want to return, and they return something else, like they are doing fraud with the companies. And it is a very long cycle. Like if you have purchased something and you want to return it or replace it, right? So you register a replacement or return request, and then the delivery boy comes to collect the product the next day, and then it takes around 6 to 7 business days to actually replace your product or give your money back, right? So it is a very long cycle. So what this product does, it actually has a AI detection in which when you have to put a video or an image of what you want to return, and it will check if the product is valid or not. So this is the landing page of ReturnIQ. So basically this site is the customer site. We have three sites. One for the seller board, means the company like boat or anything. And the other is the Kirana drop-off store. I'll explain it later. So this is the landing page of the customer site. So we have 6 module AI intelligence engine for returns. It checks the return frequency. It has visual intelligence. It has NLP sentiment, mismatch detection, exchange intelligence, and loss prevention. So the three steps to intelligent returns are: customer submits the return, like they show the image or the video of the product they want to return. Then the AI analysts in real time, it actually checks the frequency if the product is the same product they have delivered. Then the brand gets actionable intel. The brand gets the detail of the product. So we have another feature, like if you want to replace a product, so instead of the 6 to 7 day cycle of the replacement, we can do one more thing. Like we have a database of the users and you don't want to return it in 7 days. So you basically register for a replacement, and the database, the Google Maps API, it checks for another person. Like, look, Raj has a shoe which is of size 9 and he wants a shoe of size 10. And Ravi, another user who is at 2 kilometer distance, wants a shoe of size 9 and he has size 10. So what our portal can do, they can swap the products. Like this person wants a size A and he has size B, and the other wants size B and he has size A. So what they can do, they can swap the products. So this is our smart feature, and yeah, real-time results from demo data. So let's just try it now. For now, we will use the demo data. Look up the order. Okay, this is our order, right? Jacket, leather jacket. This is the price. And we will select the reason. Received wrong item. And right now we will put anything. We have one more thing. It is a very basic thing, but it is helpful, right? So what this thing is, if someone is introvert and like they're hesitant, they're feeling they have a damaged product, they want to return it, but they're hesitant, like, should I return this? Is it good? They are feeling guilty. They have no point to be guilty, but they are feeling guilty. So what this thing does, they makes them feel like you are not alone. This thing is normal. You can return it. Many people has done this and they are feeling satisfied and happy after that. Here we have to upload a photo or image. Right now I'm going to upload an image of the jacket. Okay. The AI is analyzing the product. So this checks if it is another defective product or not. Okay, so we are getting a suggestion that you can exchange for a different size. It ships in 2 days. So this is the new feature that I was talking about, the Kirana dashboard, right? So now, uh, the return and replacement cycle is very costly, as we know, because we register first of all, the person orders a product, right? The delivery boy or the company has to cost it because the delivery boy comes to our house, they give us the product, and they go back. So this charges some money, right? And then the person thinks that no, this thing is not right, this thing is not what I want. So what they will do, they will register a return or replacement. So the delivery boy has to come to the house, pick it up again, and then the product goes to the local warehouse. After that, it goes to the main warehouse, then to the shop from where it came. So this is very costly, right? So instead of the delivery boy going to the house every day to deliver the products, what we can do is we can tie up with the Kirana stores in the nearby areas. Like in the city, we can have multiple Kirana stores of the different areas which we are tied up to. What we can do, that the product is delivered at the Kirana store and the person can go to the Kirana store and collect it. So this saves us the delivery charges. And secondly, if they want to return or replace the product, they will go to the nearby Kirana. First of all, they will register for the return or replacement. Then they will go to the Kirana store, and the Kirana store guy will have a QR code that will be provided by the seller, the brand, or the company. And after scanning that, after knowing that this is the valid customer, they have registered for a return or replacement, he will give the money. And the Kirana store, after having the product, will get the money from the company or the seller. So this by this we can find the nearby Kirana store. We also get a credit store code. And after that, return request submitted. We got a return ID. Let's just copy it for now. AI intelligence report. So this the AI which we used created an intelligence report, fraud risk, recommendation, confidence, and all of that. It also showed us that what we purchased before we returned it, and it has a history of ourselves. Okay, so this is the whole report, full AI report. Return to the home. This is what it does. So this is what the customer side does. Now let's go to the Kirana or the drop off store. This is the portal. Let me just go back. Yeah, the partner terminal. Let's select New India provision. It has 5 packages handled right now, and it has all the history like the total earnings. Like what we do, that on all the returns and replacement did to the Kirana store, we give that some commission of that product, right? Nobody does anything for free. So here we have one option, scan the QR, but right now I'm just going to paste the return ID and proceed to inspect. This will inspect, the AI will automatically inspect, and it is valid. Exchange good, confidence 87%, commission this, accept and register. It got changed to 6, so it is live. All the changes are live and we can see them over here. It can show, this shows us the previous returns and replacement. There's all the activity. Now let's go to the seller dashboard. So this dashboard shows the seller their history, like what their products they return and store. This is analytics, total number of returns, revenue protected, average processing, and all the data over here. It also shows how many person return the product due to change of mind, damage, wrong size. It gives them all the analytics so they can analyze everything. Over here, we can also see the status if it is verified, received, collected, trust score, condition, refund, time, and all that. Then the drop of stores. This shows the seller how many drop of stores they've tied up with and how many products received to the particular drop of stores. So this is it. This is ReturnIQ, basically a smart return and replacement product for D2C brands.